Hi, my name is Riley Hall. I'm going to be going over my Tableau project as well as the case questions that follow suit. So after compiling all the major tabs and making them all in the sales analysis dashboard for easy digestion, we can see the answers to the case questions on my Tableau project. The first one is what were the total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020? That's very simple. You just look at the total sales by quarter and year. You look at the year 2020 and then you look at the third quarter and you see that it's 7,991,212. For the second question, what were the total sales revenues for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021? Again, we're concerned with the year 2021, so we'll just click on that to select it real quick. It is the second quarter that we are concerned with, and it is the medical category that we are looking for, so the answer will be 457,117. Go and deselect that real quick. Now that that's deselected, which product line had the highest sales in 2019 under materials processing category? Again, we're concerned with now the year 2019. And the category that we are concerned with is the materials processing category. So we click that, and now we just want to know what product line. Well, it's very easy for us. We just look at the top left, which will be Post YT. You go and deselect everything again. What is the top product line for Germany division in 2019? That's the fourth question. Again, we stick with the same year now. Which is 2019. And we want the German division, so you just go and click on Germany. And then you can just see that it is low YT. In 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in telecom category under the UK division? So again, we're going to look at the 2020. Deselect Germany. UK division. We care about the telecom. Which quarter? That's going to be the second quarter at 157,000. Go and deselect that. Everything's deselected. There we go. For the sixth question, who is Cat Manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020? Again, we're concerned with 2020. We're concerned with all of it as a whole. We're concerned with the fourth quarter only. And you just scroll right to the top customers in sales, and you will note that it is the Boys Company. 7, who is the top customer in Russia division in 2021? We're concerned with the year 2021. We want to know for the Russian division. And just the top customer, we go back and scroll, and you can see it's the Church Seal Company at 491,063. Finally, the last question I'm given is, if you were on top management team for the Cat Manufacturing, what overall strategy questions could this dashboard help you address? I find this question pretty straightforward. It is very concerned with hyper-specific regions as well as breaking it down into categories of what materials are being used, medical, telecom, materials processing, government. It tells you the sales by product line and the customers. So me personally, I would want to know which customers are buying what for the, what product line during the region. Say I wanted to know in 2022 what would be my best target for Russia. I would look and see that the Church Seal Company was my top customer in 2021. So that would indicate that 2022 would be a good year for the Church Seal Company as well, and that I should focus on them. Really, the best decision I could come up with would be just if I were on the top manufacturing team, I would just see where I needed to allocate my resources, and I would allocate them based off of what the map told me.